how to reset or bypass Windows 11 Microsoft account. So if you want to reset or bypass Windows 11 Microsoft account, then what you need to do is press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. Then click on the power button and select Restart. Once you get to the Advanced Startup menu, click on the Troubleshoot, click on Advanced Options, and then click on the Command Prompt. After that, it will take you to this kind of interface. First, you need to type C:, and then hit the enter. After that, type dir, which is used to list files and folders in the current directory, and hit the enter. Now you can see all the main system partition, which has Windows users and program file folders. So first you need to find the main system partition. Next, we need to get into the system, the editor folder. Next, we need to get into the system, the editor folder, which contains U2man and CMD files. I'm going to type CD for change directory, Windows, and system32. After that, you need to enter. Now we need to rename these executable files using the ram command. You need to type in ren space utilman.exe space utilman1.exe and press the enter. After that, enter ren space cmd.exe.utilman.exe. After that, you need to close the command prompt and click on continue. Now, if you click on the accessibility button, the command prompt will appear on the screen or not, but just simply wait for a minute and then restart your computer. After resetting, you'll again get the command prompt, and now you need to enter control space user passwords 2 and then hit the enter. And it will take you to this kind of interface. Basically, you'll have two options here. You can go to the Microsoft website and try to recover your account, or you can simply create a new local user account and you'll be able to get access to your data from another one. Go to the Advanced tab, which is right here. After that, double click on the users folder. You can go with add and then add a new user. You need to enter the email address, enter the username, full name, description, name the new user account, and check the box. After that, go and add the administrators for your new user, and then you can go and restart your PC. After that, you can click on your new user, go with your settings and click on accept, and that's it. In this way, you'll be able to reset or bypass. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.